All right, friends, today we are going to study the long vowel, silent E, complex multisyllable words. So our objective is to read, write, and spell multisyllabic words with the long vowel, silent E, complex syllable. Remember, it's that silent E that makes the vowel long. So a vowel consonant silent E syllable includes a vowel immediately followed by one consonant and a silent E. The vowel sound will usually be long. Pause the video and turn and tell your neighbor, what are the two things that we know about the vowel consonant silent E syllable? When we look at this nonsense word, must grime, you notice that the I says I because the silent E at the end makes the I say its name. So our second syllable is our vowel consonant silent E. What is our first syllable? Show me with your hand. If you have a closed hand, you are correct. The first syllable is a closed syllable. It ends with a consonant and has a vowel. The vowel sound will be short. Now look at these words. We are going to spot and dot these words in our decoding book. So in your decoding book, please turn to page 50, and in the bottom, please spot and dot these words at this time. You may pause the video while students are spotting and dotting. Now let's look at the first word. Where did you divide between the two syllables? Yes, between the K and the V. The first syllable has one vowel and ends with one or more consonants, so that vowel sound is short. What is the first syllable sound? Correct, lack. The second syllable has our vowel consonant silent E. Our vowel will say its name. It's long. What is our second syllable? Correct, vape. So when I put them together, I have lack, vape. Continue this routine with the other three words. All right, on the top of page 50, you're going to find a list of multisyllabic words. These are nonsense words, meaning that they are not real words. If you come to a word you don't know, you can always spot and dot and practice reading the different syllables and combining them to make the word. So I'll read the word and then you can repeat it. Sutplive, sutplive. Bon cleat, exploit, blant clipe, brine dup, axe plied, dim sploat, zeb blake, chin don, lake vin, knox splain, strut plake, clup stone, blup rake, gulch spout. And we are done for today.